Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can buy a coin using CoinGecko. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you safely invest cryptocurrencies with up-to-date pricing information. So first, of course, you will have to go to CoinGecko.com or the CoinGecko app, and you will search for the coin that you would want to buy using the search bar, which is right here. So these are the coins that you can actually buy, and next, you will click the coin, and what you will have to do is you will scroll to the markets, which is right here, and then next you will select a trusted exchange that lists the coin, and then next you will follow the exchange instructions so that you will be able to create an account, deposit funds, or purchase the coin. And you will always double check the wallet address before sending money, of course. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.